So let me think. It's been how many weeks? You said February 14th.
14th, yeah.
Today's March 2nd.
So we're going in 2.5 weeks.
Yeah. So the main thing is keeping these little spots, you know, clean. You can use a little bit of like a washcloth, some warm water, a little bit of soap, and kind of gently scrub that. But this whole area is just dead skin on there that'll come off.
Okay.
It looks like you had probably the waterproof dressing on there
It was,
initially.
yeah.
There's that medicated pad that goes on there with, or the silver, I mean. So it looks great.
And it's been itching, so I haven't, but I've been like rubbing a little vitamin E like around here to try to help keep it from itching.
That's fine.
Okay.
The vitamin E will be fine. This down here, is that always been there, or is that bruising?
That's bruising from the surgery.
And it's not tender, right?
Yes, it is a little bit.
It is tender?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, there's still some tightness in there, so there's still some swelling, but generally it looks good.